Hello everyone. How are you all guys? And how about your studies? All good? Okay, that's really nice of you all guys. So today we are going to discuss, yes, today we are going to learn how to balance redox reaction in acidic as well as in basic medium, guys. Okay. Come on, do one thing, share the video, share the link of this class or the session to all your friends who are targeting for Neet 2021 and 2022, guys. It is going to help them all. It is very important topic of physical chemistry. Yes, guys, balancing of redox reaction in acidic and basic medium. So share to all your friends who are targeting Neet 2021, 2022, or preparing for board examination or planning for improvement, or J means J advanced preparing for KVPY. This topic is going to help them all, guys. Okay, once again, a very warm welcome to you all, guys, to your very own channel. Let's crack Neat Eugene English. Guys, myself Sharada Alok. I have been teaching chemistry at Resonance from past 10 years. How to go to this plus subscription? Let me tell you. First of all, go to Play Store. Done. And guys, then download the Unacademy learning app. Then just click on to Neat UG. Now, before you go ahead for the subscription, let me tell you the benefits of taking Plus subscription. Guys, you'll be getting daily live classes. I'm repeating, you'll be getting daily live classes where you can chat with your educators. Come on, guys, the top educators across the nation of different coaching institute, famous coaching institute around the nation are going to be your educator. You can chat with them sitting in your, cozy corner of your room. Yes, you can chat with them, you can engage in discussion. You can ask your doubt and answer the poll. The polls are going to have questions related to the topic being taught on the screen. Not only that, you'll be getting live tests and quizzes, which is going to evaluate your preparation time to time. Guys, there are so many benefits of taking part in the quiz. Like, for example, you'll be getting referral points out of which you can buy any of the courses running at an academy platform of your choice. Not only that, it is going to minimize your negative marking. It is going to sharpen your IQ and many more. Like, guys, like, no doubt this is going to add lot to your academics. Yes, along with that, you'll be getting structured courses, guys, which is precisely designed by the top educators across the nation, very much in line with your exam syllabus and going to help you best to prepare for it. So, guys, just by having one subscription, you get access to all our live and recorded courses, which you can watch from comfort of any of your devices. Now, guys, this is all about iconic subscription. It has been recently launched by an academy where you'll be taught by the top educator. Not only along with that, these top educators are going to be a personal coach. Yes, you heard me right. Guys, you heard me right. Take This is going to take your NEET UG preparation to the next level with with the top educators as personal coach. Keshwan. Keshwan is saying salute madam. Thank you beta, but उसके आगे का ये कुछ समझ नहीं आया मुझे. I think this is French if I'm not wrong. Okay, very nice to see you all, guys. Really, it gives a lot of energy to us. It motivates us to make more video, so that we can help you more. So nice of you, beta. Even I salute you all for coming all at a time. Like, yes, yeah. Hi, ma'am. How are you in French? Okay. Actually, Keshwan has written me salute, madam. Bone apres midi. That means it is how are you in French. My God, you know French too. That's really great. That's really great. And yes, you all bon après midi. You all those who guys are sitting over there watching me. Bon après midi. Am I right, Keshwan? Am I right? Now I want to reply in French, Keshwan, and you all guys who are watching me. I want the reply that you want to say I'm fine. I want the reply in French. Okay, by that time, I'm just going to tell you even more about the subscription, guys. So the top educators are going to be your personal coach. You'll be getting one-on-one guidance from top exam expert as your personal coach in order to line your preparation strategy. Not only that, you'll be getting an in depth test analysis with personalized feedback, which is definitely going to improve your time management and exam approach. You'll be getting a study plan precisely designed for your target by the top educators across the nation, looking all your needs into mind. Yes, 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 guys, it is going to ace your preparation with customized study plan. You will be having a bi-weekly reviews that is going to highlight your progress as well. Okay, okay, guys. So just by having one iconic subscription, you'll be getting live classes from top educator, mock test and quizzes, structured batch courses in line with exam syllabus. Okay, guys. Yes, whether to go for plus or the iconic one, you must be wondering over it. जीवेस बयान मतलब हम लोग सब अच्छे हैं. We are good. Is that clear? Is it like that, Keshwan? Okay, okay, guys. So yes, yes, yes. I just want to tell you that iconic subscription is far better than the plus subscription. If plus is the cake, iconic one is the icing with the cake, because the icing features or the iconic features are personal coach, study planner, expert guidelines, and of course, test analysis. Is that clear, guys? Is that very much clear? Okay, okay, guys. Let us go ahead. All those who are watching, do like the video, do share, do subscribe the channel, do press the bell icon. How much you have to pay for iconic subscription, let me tell you, guys. For 6 months you are supposed to pay 38,000. For 12 months you'll have to pay 65,000. For 2 years you are supposed to pay 1 lakh. But if you apply this referral code SA10 of mine, you will have to pay only 34,200 for 6 months and 58,500 for 1 year, or only 90,000 for 2 years. Yes, 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 guys, this cost you around 3,750. But don't forget to apply this referral code of mine SA10. And remember, all these are available at no cost EMI as well. Keshwan is saying, I love to learn new languages, so I want to become a polyglot too. Wonderful. That's really nice of you, Keshwan. Polyglot. You become a polyglot too. Even I too want to learn, but French थोड़ी सी कमजोर है. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. My French, not yours. Yours is quite good. Okay, guys. So this is all about plus subscription on the screen. Let me tell you how much you have to pay. But before that, I just want to tell you guys, for 1 month, 3 month, and 6 month are good when you are planning for the crash course. And as you know, you have a lot of time, so these are not going to be very beneficial for you. Trust me. Trust me, guys, at the end of these subscription, you are going to regret that you would have gone for either 1 year being in class 12 or dropper, or you would have gone for 2 year subscription being class 11. Yes, it happened. It had happened. It will happen to you also. It had happened to many. It will happen to you as well. Okay, guys. So I would recommend you personally, if you are in class 12 or a drop student, you must go for this 1 year subscription by paying 38,500. And if you are in class 11, you should go for this 2 year subscription by paying 56,000. But if you will apply this referral code of mine SA10, you will have to pay only 34,650 for 1 year and 50,400 for 2 years, guys. And all these are available at no cost EMI too. I hope it is very getting straight away here. All these are available at no cost EMI too, guys. Now, guys, we are going to start doing the thing for which you all are waiting for. But before that, I would like to tell you all to take few seconds to like the video, to share the video if you have not done so. And all those who are watching the channel for the first time, let's crack Neet Eugene English, and have not subscribed the channel so far, do so. If you have not pressed the bell icon, do so. Okay, guys, we are going to learn how to balance redox reaction, okay, in this class. Come on, come on, come on. If you have not liked the video so far, if you have not shared it, do so. Have a look at the screen. What does this redox stand for? Guys, this RED, red, stands for reduction. OX stands for oxidation. And redox, actually the reaction in which reduction and oxidation both takes place simultaneously, together, simultaneously. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Now what is happening during oxidation? What happens, guys? During oxidation, guys, loss of electron. Suppose the species is losing electron, it will acquire a positive charge. And loss of electron is called as oxidation, which is also actually increasing oxidation number. Guys, oxidation number in this case it is 0, whereas in this case it is +1, so it is increasing. Whereas in case of B, what is happening, guys? It is gaining electron, which is actually called as reduction, and this reduction is also decrease in oxidation number. You can see here the oxidation number is 0, whereas it is decreasing to -1. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? It is decreasing to -1. So this is reduction, that is oxidation. And remember, one species will lose electron, other species is going to accept that electron. A is losing the electron, B is gaining that electron. So A is getting oxidized, B is getting reduced. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Now, guys, you must be wondering for reducing agent as well. Come on, guys. Agent. Agent means one who serves other. Who serves others. Is that clear? For example, if you talk about travel agent, what a travel agent does, makes tickets or traveling plan for others, makes traveling plans or tickets for others. Done. What an LIC agent does. An LIC agent makes LIC policies. Yes, LIC policies for others. Are you getting my point? For others. Similarly, guys, similarly, reducing agent reduces others. Okay, reduces others, and itself it gets what? It gets oxidized. So A is getting oxidized too. Yes, this species compound A loses electron and get oxidized, whereas that lost electron is accepted by B, and B acting as oxidizing agent, which oxidizes others and get itself reduced. So B is getting reduced itself, A is getting oxidized itself. Is that clear? Or you can say, as A is reducing B, therefore A is a reducing agent. B is an oxidizing agent because B oxidizes A. Is that clear, guys? I hope it is straight away gone here. Now, guys, now balancing redox reaction. Always remember, whenever we are supposed to balance the redox reaction, what we are, or we are, whenever we talk about balancing, what actually we look after, guys, whenever you talk about balancing a chemical reaction, we look after to balance the number of atoms of each element present on both the side, and the charge balancing. We want to balance number of atom and the charge balancing. What? Charge balancing. Is that clear? We want to balance number of atoms and the charges. Is that clear? So balancing redox reaction means what? Means what? Guys, a reduction and oxidation, a such reaction we are talking about where reduction and oxidation taking place simultaneously, a redox reaction. In that case, we need to balance number of atom as well as the charge. That is balancing of redox reaction, guys. And remember, guys, balancing of redox reaction, yes, can be done. Basically, it can be done by two methods. Can you name them? The first method is oxidation number method. And the second one is ion. Yes, second one is ion electron method. Is that clear? Guys, for redox reaction, this oxidation number method is not suitable for balancing redox reaction. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Keshwan, ma'am, do you cover NCRT? आयन एक्सचेंज बेटा ये सब एनसीईआरटी में नहीं है तो कहाँ है? ओके, आई डू कवर एनसीईआरटी. एनसीईआरटी का एक भी चीज नहीं छोड़ती हूँ मैं. यू कैन चेक इट योर सेल्फ बाई just take any video of mine, just go through that, and then just compare it with that of the content given in NCRT, and then you will realize that not even a single thing is left behind. Is that clear, Keshwan, and all you guys who are watching there? Please, if you have not liked the video so far, do like, do share, do subscribe the channel if you have not done so. Do press the bell icon. Okay, guys, have a look at the screen. Now, guys, as per the requirement of the reaction, come on. Ion electron method are actually balancing in acidic as well as basic medium. Is that clear? First of all, there are two methods for balancing redox reaction, but oxidation number method is not suitable for balancing redox reaction. It is the one which is suitable is ion electron method. And ion electron method is used for balancing a particular reaction in acidic as well as basic medium. Is that clear? This is used to balance in the reaction, redox reaction in acidic as well as in basic medium. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Clear? Now, balancing, let us look at how the balancing by ion electron method is done in acidic medium, guys. First of all, we need to have a chemical reaction, which is to be or a redox reaction, where reduction and oxidation both take place. So the required reaction is given here on the screen. Is that clear? This is the reaction, guys. Is that clear? Yes, let me take a pen. Yes. So this is the reaction. Is that clear, guys? This is the reaction which we need to balance. All right. All right. Now, guys, the first step, always remember, if you learn the steps, if you learn the steps, you are not going to make a mistake. Trust me. If you learn the steps, you will never make a mistake. Guys, step one is assign the oxidation number to each element present in the reaction. Come on. The very first step, all you guys take a pen and copy in your hand. And if you will do this in front of me, trust me, within 40 minutes, you are going to do this forever. हमेशा के लिए आपको redox reaction यहाँ पे घुस जाएगा. But you need to take pen. Yes, यहाँ पे मतलब you will able to do that. Are you getting my point? Yes, you will never get confused. Remember, you will never ever get confused, guys. Trust me. So all you guys who are watching, take a pen and copy and all your eyes on the screen. And those who have not liked the video but watching, do like the video, do share it. Okay, guys, have a look here. So the first step is to assign the oxidation number to each element present in the reaction. All done? Guys, in case of iron, the oxidation number is +2. Okay. Sulfate ion. The sulfur is +6, oxygen is -2. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Now KMnO4 oxidation number is +1. Oxygen will be -2. Oxidation number of alkali metals are always +1. That of manganese is coming out to be +7. Is that clear? Hydrogen is 1. Sulfate में sulfur is always +6. Oxygen is always -2. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? In this case, iron, the oxidation number is +3. Whereas sulfur will be +6. Oxygen will be -2. Okay, guys, is that clear? Sulfur is plus 6, it is minus 2, and manganese is plus 2. Water, guys, hydrogen is always plus 1 and oxygen is minus 2 in water. Is that clear? So the step 1 is to assign the oxidation number to each element present in the reaction. All done? All done? Well done. Well done, Keshwan. Your answer is all correct, dear. Well done. Okay, okay, guys. Now the next step. Let us see the next step. Ready for the next step? Which pen? Red one. Okay, okay. All you guys have a look here. All you guys have a look here. Now, guys, step two. What is step two? Come on, those who are participating, who are balancing, you, if you have balanced, you can write down the answer in the chat box. Step two. What does it involve, guys? Now, what you have to do, guys? Now, convert the reaction in ionic form by eliminating the elements or species which are not undergoing either oxidation or reduction. Is that clear? We'll have to eliminate those species which are not going under reduction or oxidation. Is that clear? So it is very, very clear, guys. Sulfur is plus 6 both the side. Oxygen is minus 2 both the side. Potassium will remain plus 1 because it is an alkali metal, guys. But it is only iron and manganese where the oxidation state is changing. So manganese in left hand side is present as manganate ion. Okay, it is present as manganate ion permanganate ion, isn't it? Potassium permanganate. And in this side it is present as Mn2 plus. This side iron is present as Fe3 plus. So guys, what we have to do? Write on this Fe3 plus this way. Guys, Fe2 plus only those species are being written in ionic form where the oxidation state is getting changed. Is that clear? So Fe2 plus MnO4 minus giving Fe3 plus and Mn2 plus. Remember, step 2 is to eliminate all the species or element where there is no change in oxidation number. That is, they are neither going reduction nor what? Oxidation. Okay, so only iron and manganese, their oxidation state are getting changed. So we are going to write only them in their ionic form as it is written on the screen. Is that clear, all of you guys? Now guys, step 3. Step 3 includes now identify the oxidation and reduction occurring in the reaction. Okay, step 3 is to what? First of all, we have written down in step 2 all those species in ionic form where oxidation or reduction taking place, or you can say in which there is a change in oxidation number. Step 3 is to identify the oxidation and reduction occurring in the reaction. Is that clear? Fe2 plus is converting into Fe3 plus. There is a change in oxidation number here. So guys, what type of change? The change is increase in oxidation number. If it is increased, that means it is undergoing oxidation. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now, guys, here manganese is plus 7 oxidation state in permanganate, whereas in this case it is plus 2. What is happening? It is decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number. Therefore, this is what? This is reduction. What is it? This one is reduction. Is that clear, guys? This one is reduction. Now, step 4. What we have to do once oxidation and reduction are done, you have to split the ionic reaction in two half. Two half. Okay, one for oxidation and other for reduction. Is that clear, guys? One will be for oxidation half reaction, the other one will be for reduction half reaction. So this particular one is for oxidation half reaction, guys, whereas this one is reduction half reaction. Are you getting this? Are you getting this, guys? Now, what we have to do, we have to balance them one by one. Okay, okay, guys. Now, the next step, balance the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen atom in both half reaction. It is very clear that the atoms are balanced. Atoms are balanced in both. Why it is balanced? Because here also one atom of iron, here also one atom of iron, so atom are balanced. In this case, one atom of manganese, here also one atom of manganese, that is manganese, the number of atom of manganese are also balanced. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Done. Now have a look here. Now, guys, once the atoms are balanced, what we are supposed to do, atoms are balanced on both the side. After that, we have to balance oxygen. Then oxygen, guys, we have to balance oxygen and hydrogen atom. Yes, yes, yes. After that, balance oxygen and hydrogen atom. Yes, well done, Keshwan, well done. All those who are watching, do like the video, do share it. If you have not liked or shared, if you have not subscribed the channel, let's crack Neet Eugene English, do so. Do press the bell icon. Now, how to balance oxygen and hydrogen atom, guys? It is to be balanced by water and H plus respectively in the following way. Let us have a look here. Okay, guys, there is no oxygen involved in this reaction, so we don't want to talk about that. There is no need of oxygen and hydrogen balancing in this case. Okay, beta, you learn this method, trust me, you will able to balance all the reaction. Well done. Now, guys, the next one is reduction half reaction. Let us have a look at reduction half reaction. Mn2 plus and MnO4 minus is giving Mn2 plus. Manganese is balanced, we have already seen. Now we have to balance the oxygen atom. How many oxygen atom are there in the left hand side, guys? How many oxygen atom are there in the left hand side? 4 oxygen atom. So we will have to add 4 water molecule this side. Very simple. Count the number of oxygen atom. Okay, guys, and just add water molecules of the same number of oxygen atom to the other side. For example, in this side there were 4 oxygen atoms, so on the right hand side we added 4 water molecules. Is that clear? All done? Now, guys, now we have added 8 hydrogen ion also. You can say 8 hydrogen atoms are also added up over here. So what we have to do? Okay, what we have to add here? We have to add 8 hydrogen in the form of 8H plus in left hand side as it is done on the screen. Now oxygen is balanced and hydrogen is also balanced. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? So very first step is to assign the oxidation number, then identify the species getting changed for their oxidation number, then separate them as oxidation and reduction, then balance the atom other than oxygen and hydrogen. And as it was already balanced in this equation, we need to balance oxygen and hydrogen like this. Okay, guys. Now, how did we do that? We have added water molecule as many hydrogen was there in left hand side. We added water molecule to right hand side equal to as many oxygen atom were present in left hand side. Then what we did? We added H plus in left hand side as many equal to hydrogen, total hydrogen atom in right hand side as it is done on the screen. Are you getting it? Are you getting it, guys? Now what we have to do, we have to see all atoms, whether you talk about manganese or you talk about oxygen or you talk about hydrogen, is all balanced, is all balanced. Now what we have to do, we have to balance the charges. Now, guys, now balance the charge. Is that clear? Now what we have to do, now we have to balance the charge. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So this side 8H plus MnO4 minus was there. Ma'am, please tell once, I don't know how to write in ionic form. एक बार बेटा मैं इसको कर लूं, फिर आई विल रिपीट दैट, डोंट वरी. 8H plus MnO4 minus. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Is forming Mn2 plus 4H2O. But this side there is a plus 2 charge, and this side the charges are plus 7. So the charges are not balanced. So first of all we need to balance the charge. Guys, the charges will be balanced. How come? We will add because this is a reduction reaction. Reduction means what? Gain of electron. So plus 7 and plus 2, there is a difference of 5. So as many difference in the charges will add that many electron to this side. And due to addition of electron, we are adding actually minus charge. So it is plus 7 minus 5, guys. Plus 7 minus 5 due to addition of the 5 electron comes around to 2 plus. So on both the side, after adding 5 electron, the charges are balanced, that is plus 2 on both the side. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Now the next step is to balance number of electron lost and number of electron gained. Is that clear, guys? It is very, very clear that in case of oxidation, electrons are lost, and in case of reduction, electrons are gained. Are you getting this? Are you getting this, guys? Now what we have to do, just look here. Guys, Fe2 plus is converting into Fe3 plus by losing one electron. Okay, okay. Now. In this case, guys, 8H plus MnO4 minus giving what? Mn2 plus or 4H2, along with that 5 electrons are there. So in this case, gain of electron is 5. But this should be equal. So it will happen only when we multiply this entire equation by 5. Is that clear? So this will be written as 5E2 plus giving 5 Fe3 plus 5 electrons. Now it is gain of electron and loss of electron are equal. Is that clear, guys? These are equal. Now what you have to do? Equation 1 and this is equation 2. Add them. 1 plus 2. Just add them. And what do we get? Fe3 plus. We get 5 Fe3 plus. Then 8H plus from here. All reactant side will come in one side, guys, and 5 electron like this. Okay, now product side is 5 Fe electrons plus 5 electrons this way. Then write down this Mn2 plus and 4H2O. Is that clear? This 5 electron loss and gain from here and here, this will be cancelled. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So the net equation is this. Clear? Are you getting this? Are you all getting this? Are you all getting this? Well done. So before we go ahead for balancing in basic, medium, Keshwan and all you guys who are watching, I'm just going to have a quick look over it. Okay, guys. First of all, what we have to do. First of all, guys, write down all the reaction in ionic form. Okay, how to write down in ionic form? Let me take you to that slide. Okay, all you guys have a look here. First of all, you have to write down the reaction in ionic form. FeSO4. Okay, what you have to do? FeSO4. First of all, assign their oxidation number. Then write down the ionic form of those where oxidation state is changing. Now, Fe2 plus will be written down instead of FeSO4. KMnO4 will be, because potassium there is no change in oxidation number. So KMnO4 will be written down as MnO4, the ionic form of this one, where oxidation number is changing. Is that clear? Here ferric sulfate, the oxidation state of iron is changing. So it is Fe3 plus. MnSO4 will be written as Mn2 plus. Is that clear, beta? I hope it is clear now how to write down the ionic form. Now guys, in this case, we got the reaction in ionic form. Now what we have to do? We have to convert the ionic equation, or you can say the reaction, into molecular form. For example, if it is 5, 5, make it Fe2 plus. This was Fe2 plus. By mistake, I wrote 3 plus. If it is 5 Fe2 plus, it will become 5 FeSO4. All done? All done, beta? All done? Now guys, 8 H plus are there. We know that for making H2SO4, 2 H plus are required. So it will be 4 H2SO4. It will be 4 H2SO4. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Now MnO4 will become KMnO4, the molecular form. And guys, you have to be very careful over here, guys. There are 5 Fe3 plus ion, and we know that for making one Fe2SO4 thrice, we need 2 Fe3 plus. Therefore total Fe2SO4 whole thrice will be 5 by 2. Is that clear? You have to be very careful about that as well. All done, guys. Now this Mn2 plus will become MnSO4. All done. 4H2O will remain as it is. And initially, guys, potassium was not there in ionic form here also, but it was there in the final product given in the question. So here also potassium is there. What we will do? We will write down K2SO4. But as you know, two potassium are there in K2SO4, and on left hand side there is only one potassium as KMnO4. Therefore, it has to be half K2SO4. Okay, all that clear, guys. Now let us check whether the charges are balanced in this equation. Let us see whether the charge present on left hand side is 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 minus 1, 17 plus. In this case, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 plus. So the charges are balanced. Let us see the atoms are balanced or not. 5 iron atom this side, 5 iron atom this side. 5 plus 4 sulfate unit this side, here. 15 by 2, that is 7 and half. Half SO4 from here, that is 8. 8 plus 1, 9 sulfate. And there was also 9 sulfate, so sulfate is also balanced. 1 potassium this side, 1 potassium that side. 1 magnet this side, 1 magnet that side. So it is all balanced, and this water is 4H2O. So this is how we check whether the reaction is balanced at the end of the reaction or not. First of all, looking at the ionic form of the equation, try to check the charges are balanced or not, and then first convert from ionic form to molecular form, and then check whether the number of atoms are balanced or not, as we did just now. All done. I'm repeating once again all the steps. First of all, guys, write down the reaction required to be balanced. Then put the charges, oxidation number on each atom. Okay, guys. Then identify those which are changing their oxidation number. Okay. Then identify oxidation or reduction reaction. Oxidation will be one. Oxidation will be one where what is happening? Where what is happening? Do let me know. Oxidation will be one where there is an increase in oxidation number. Reduction will be one where there is a decrease in oxidation number. One, we identify that where the reaction are oxidation, which reactions are reduction, separate the reaction. I am repeating, separate the reaction. Then balance the atom other than hydrogen and oxygen. Then balance oxygen by adding water to the opposite side. So number of oxygen left hand side should be equal to number of water molecule being added to next side. Then add H plus, then add balance hydrogen by adding H plus to the side which is lacking H plus. Is that clear? Then we have to balance the what? We have to balance the charges by adding electrons to the suitable side. And then last, We have to go for number of electron lost should be equal to number of electrons gained. In that case, in order to make it equal, we multiply the entire equation by suitable integer as we have done now. After that, just write down the ionic equation and then check whether the charges are balanced or not. Once the charges are checked whether they are balanced, we have to convert the ionic equation into molecular form, and then we have to check whether the number of atoms are balanced or not. All done? Is that clear? Now let us see, guys. Let us see how the balancing in basic medium is done. How the balancing is done in basic medium. Already we got the ionic equation. Most of the time it will happen you are not getting the ionic equation as we had seen in the previous case. So we converted that into ionic equation. It is already in ionic equation, so अपना थोड़ा सा काम बच गया. Now what we have to do, we have to just write down the oxidation number. For example, in this case, chlorine is plus 1. Is that clear? Is that clear? Oxygen is minus 2 and net charge on the ion is minus 1. Oxygen in dichromate will be minus 2. Then on chromium, the charges is going to be plus 6. Is that clear? All done, guys? All done? Now, in case of chlorine is minus 1. It is minus 1. Wait a second, guys. This is not Cr2O7. It cannot possible. The equation will be what? This has to be CrO2. Wait, let me write down this reaction again. This is not the correct one. Guys, the required reaction is ClO minus plus CrO2 minus. Is that clear? We have to balance this in basic medium. All done? Cl minus CrO4 2 minus and then water. This is the required reaction already in ionic form. What we have to do, we have to write down the oxidation state above each atom. Chlorine is in plus 1, oxygen is minus 2. Here chromium is in plus 3 oxidation state because oxygen is in minus 2 and net charge on this chromite ion is minus 1. Is that clear? Here it is minus 1 on chlorine and on chromium it is plus 6. Is that clear? Is that clear? Oxygen is minus 2 as usual. Hydrogen will be plus 1 and oxygen is going to be minus 2. Now just try to balance it yourself and answer in the chat box. Priya Dhankar, welcome to the class. How are you, Priya? Welcome to the class. All your eyes on the screen now. What we have to do, guys, we have to identify the species which is getting reduced or oxidized. So plus 1 to minus 1 is what? Decrease in oxidation number. So what is this? This is reduction. This is reduction. All done, guys. Now chromium oxidation number is increasing to plus 6 from plus 3 to plus 6. That is what? Increase in oxidation number. Therefore, it is what? Oxidation. It is what, guys? Oxidation. All done. All done. Irfan Nabi Loan. Hello, beta. Hello, all you guys who are watching. Do like the video, to share it so that your friends can also watch it. Hello and welcome to the class, Irfan and Priya. Hello. How are you guys? How about your studies going on? Come on, is that clear, guys? Is that clear? So we have identified the one which are getting what? Reduce, the one which are getting oxidized. Done. Now what we have to do, we have to separate the reaction. Okay, reduction half reaction will be written as ClO minus giving Cl minus, and oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction will be CrO2 minus will give CrO4 2 minus. All clear? All going good. Well done. Irfan is saying, ma'am, all good. That's very nice. Very nice of you. Priya is also saying, fine, study is going well. So nice of you guys. Come on, take your pen and copy in your hand and start balancing the reaction looking at the board. Now, what we have to do, guys, we have to balance them as we have balanced previously in acidic medium until I will tell you until wait and watch. So guys, in this case, first of all, we have to balance the number of chlorine atom, which is already balanced here. Now it's turn to balance oxygen atom. This side one oxygen atom, so we need to add one water molecule this side too. Is that clear? Now, one water molecule is added this side means we have to add 2H plus. Remember, until this, it is same as you have done in case of acidic medium. After that, in case of acidic medium, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to add electron in order to balance the charge, but not in basic medium. There is a single step difference in basic medium, guys. What is that, guys? The difference is add as many OH minus on both side as we have added H plus. Is that clear? Because the reaction is taking place in basic medium, so we have to add as many OH minus as H plus are added on both the side. Remember, OH minus to be added this way on the screen, both the side. So just add this reaction. It is going to be ClO minus 2H plus and 2OH minus will be 2H2O. Is that clear? Now this will be Cl minus plus H2O plus 2OH minus. Are you getting this? Are you getting this, guys? This was the only difference. After that, we have to balance the charge as it is. As it is, the charges are to be balanced. Okay, there is no problem in that. But only this step is difference, beta. This step is difference. This is the difference, guys, in basic medium. I hope it is straight away going here. Now, guys, in this case here, two oxygen less than this one. So we have to add two water molecule this side. Is that clear? Two water molecule will be added this side and 4H plus will be added this side. As it is to be balanced in basic medium, so both the side add 4OH minus. Why? Because we have added 4OH plus. 4H plus, therefore we will have to add 4OH minus on both the side. Now add the reaction and write it. 2H2O CrO2 minus plus 4OH minus will give CrO4 2 minus. Wait. You are not able to look at this. Just a sec. I am going to erase this. Okay, this much is clear. Just have a screenshot. I'm going to erase this because I need to have more space. Oxidation half reaction. Done. Or let me take another. One. Guys. The net equation was 4OH minus plus 2H2O. Then what? Then CrO2 minus will be CrO4 2 minus 4H plus and 4OH minus. So what we did, we added as much OH minus as H plus was added both the side. Well done, all done. That's really nice of you. You have taken pen and copy. This together is going to form 4 molecules of water. CrO4 2 minus plus 4 molecules of water will be CrO2, then 2H2O will be like this, then 4OH minus. So what you have to do, you have to cancel the water molecule as this. So the net what, guys? Net balanced half reaction is CrO2 minus CrO4 2 minus plus 2H2O. Is that clear? This is the net half balanced equation. Is that clear? Now we have to balance the charges. Guys, the charges will be balanced the same way as it was balanced before. Only the difference is you have to add, after balancing H plus, in this case in basic medium, you have to add OH minus equal to the number of H plus added on both the sides. That is the only difference between acidic reaction balancing and basic balancing, basic medium balancing. Is that clear, guys? आ रही है बात समझ में? Now let us balance the charge. Okay, guys, how much charge is there in left hand side? 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus this side and 2 minus that side. So what we will do, we will add 3 electron this side. Now this side also minus 5 and this side also minus 5. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? So it is balanced. It is balanced. Now what we have to do, now the guys other half reaction was H2O ClO minus giving Cl minus and 2OH minus. Here also we have to balance the charge. In this case, minus 1 is there in left hand side and plus minus 3 is there in right hand side. So what we will do, we will add 2 electrons more here. This is how this side it is minus 3, this side already it was minus 3. So the charges are balanced. Now the charges are balanced, so we have to make the last step same as that of the acidic medium. Loss of electron. Why I'm writing this side, it won't be able to visible to you. Guys, how to be do that? Always remember, after this, loss of electron should be equal to gain of electron, and for that we need to multiply this entire reaction by, because loss of, in this case loss of electron is 3, in this case gain of electron is 2. So guys, they are not equal. In order to make it equal, this is to be multiplied by 2 and this is to be multiplied, the entire equation is to be multiplied by 3, so that loss of electron to be 6, gain of electron will also be 6. Is that clear? Is that clear? Let us write down the net balanced equation after cancelling the duplication, or after cancelling those species which were present twice. All done? All done, guys. This will give you 3Cl minus, 2CrO4, 2 minus, and water. All done. This is how it is to be balanced. It is to be balanced. All done. What is the single step, guys, where acid balancing in acidic medium, balancing in acidic and basic medium, where does it differ? Where does it differ, guys? Do let me know. Only there is a single step, guys. Otherwise, all the steps are same in both. The step is just after balancing the H plus. After balancing the H plus, guys, we need to balance the charges. Balance the charges, whereas in basic medium, after balancing H plus, we add OH minus equal to the number of H plus on both sides, and then balance the charges, and then the steps are same. Okay, guys? Okay, is that clear? Is that clear, guys? Are you getting it? I'm repeating again. There is a single difference between balancing in acidic and basic medium, and the single difference is after balancing the H plus ion in acidic medium, we balance the charge, whereas in basic medium, after balancing H plus, we add OH minus ion on both the side equal to H plus ion added, and then charges are balanced the same way it is done in case of balancing acidic medium. I hope it is straight away gone here. Okay, guys, समझ में आया? Really nice of you all for watching. So nice of you all guys. एक बार हम क्विक रिवीजन करेंगे फिर से. First step is to assign the oxidation number of each of the species. Okay. Second step, just find out which species oxidation number is changing. Third step, identify oxidation and reduction. Increase in oxidation number will be oxidation, decrease in oxidation number will be reduction. Then separate oxidation and reduction half reaction. Balance them separately. Under balancing, first of all, you need to balance what? Number of atoms. Second, you need to number of atoms other than hydrogen and oxygen. Second, balance oxygen by adding water molecule to the side deficient in oxygen equal to the number of oxygen atom another side. Then balance hydrogen equal to the number of twice the number of water molecule you have added to other side. Okay, by adding H plus, hydrogen will be added as H plus. After that, if you are balancing an acidic medium, just go for balancing the charges. Okay, and then make the loss of electron equal to gain of electron. For that, if you need to require to multiply the entire equation by suitable number, do so. And then write on the net balanced equation. In ionic form, find the charges are balanced. Then write down in molecular form, find the total number of atoms are balanced or not. In case of basic medium, just after the H plus, add OH minus equal to the H plus added to both the side. Done. Done. Those who are writing it will get it clearly. Yes, those who are doing it will get it clearly. Yes, is that clear, guys? Then what you have to do? Then, guys, go for the same step as we have gone in case of acidic medium. Balance the charges by adding electrons. The loss of electron to be equal to gain of electron. Okay, and then check whether the charges are balanced or not. Then check whether the atoms are balanced or not. Irfan Nabilon is saying, thanks, ma'am, for all this lecture. Gone good. Well done. All those who are watching, do like the video if you have not done so. All those who are watching the video but have not shared it, do so. All those who have not subscribed the channel, Let's Crack Neet Eugene English, do so. Please press the bell icon in order to have further notification. Don't forget to apply this referral code of mine in order to take the subscription. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for now. All the very best to you all, guys.